Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove devices from Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go and open the Netflix app like this, and after that go and click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, and after that choose Account. On Account, scroll down a little bit until you find Access and Devices. Click on it, and after that, as you can see, you will find all the devices using your Netflix account. If you want to remove any device from your Netflix account, for example, I will remove this device, you have just to click on it and click on Sign Out. And as you can see, this device is removed or deleted from your Netflix account, and that means that your Netflix account is no more working on that device, so that device is logged out from your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. See you in the next one.